Alright, now you should have a good understanding of the main methods of file handling in Python. And so I have a list of all the other modes here that you can use for file handling, and so we did R and W and A. Now you also have these combinations, so for instance R+. What this should do is it opens a file both for reading and writing, because you know with R you can only read and with W you can only write, so this allows you to open for both reading and writing. And so this also W+, it also opens a file both for reading and writing. So we're talking about reading and writing in the same session. So you open a file, and before you close it, you can apply a write method between these two expressions, and read method as well. Now the difference between R+ and W+ is that with W+, it will overwrite your existing file, but with R+, it doesn't overwrite the existing file, but it places a pointer at the beginning of the file. And then if you write something, then you'll write that text above the existing text. And we'll be using this in one of our applications, so you see how this comes in handy. And lastly we have A+, and this will place your pointer at the end of the file, so like in here if you were reading this, and then you can append things under that. So this makes sure that you have all the possible combinations there, so that you can manipulate and adjust what you want to do, what you want to accomplish in working with your files. So spend a few minutes trying this out, and if you don't understand anything, just drop a question. And yeah, we have one more lecture to go, so see you there.